here we go. Let's see what's in the box. It's gonna go over here. So I'm sorry. Instructions right there. Number 1, number 2, got to put the pads on. Then put the base in, charging base, set up the charging base, make sure that I'm 2 foot by 2 foot. Really? Then we fill the tank with water, plug it in, power on and off, recharge. Okay, let's do that. Be right back, guys. All right, let's go ahead and get this QR code. There we go, the normal photo. So it's asking us to go ahead and install the app. Okay, well, there we go. Open up, I agree, create an account.
Welcome to your robot vacuum cleaner. Not installed. Wi-Fi reset. Start network connection.
All right, and there it is. It's charging. Use auto mode. Let's see what happens, right? All right, now you ready? I'm gonna go ahead and hit start and see what happens. I'm a little concerned about the chair in the close proximity of this, but we'll see how it goes. If not, I'll have to move it somewhere else. But at this moment, it appears to be just pulling in a whole bunch of fluid. Oh, here we go. I don't know if you can see, but it is, within a minute or so, it is evaporating and it is going underneath. Please don't get stuck. Also, it's going to go back home. It's going to go back home. And it's going to figure out where home is. It's going to clean them up. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay. And it went right back to where it was. As you can see, it cleans itself on those little ribs right down in there, and then it sucks all the water out and pulls it in. So let's take a look at what we pulled out so far. Okay, so the container's a little grayish, but that water is a bit murky. That water is, I'm telling you, a little bit murky. It pulled some water out. That is cool. Now the dust bag's probably not got much in there. Pulled a little bit of water from there. All right, back to the robot. see where we're sitting at percentage-wise. Sitting at 69. Okay, so for those of you who can't see, I'm watching the map and I'm following it around, and it's basically making a pretty decent outline of this floor area while it wanders around. And there it is. This is a mopping and cleaning, dusting, vacuuming mop. And you only see the one little trail because it just came back to finish the job, or to end the job. And this guy, or this lady, because it has a lady's voice, has done a spectacular job of figuring out my house. Now, there's a few items that it missed, and that's okay because I have a Christmas tree up. I have a couple other items that are in the way that after the season will probably disappear. So I haven't fully dug into the app yet, but I'm pretty sure that I can go in and manually add some areas because there's a couple spots that it could go and do, but it appeared that there was some blockage there, so it just turned around. And also probably more so because me walking around with my legs, its LiDAR probably detected that I had my feet in the way and thought that there was a post there or something and blocked it. So I have to go in and kind of clean up the area. But for it doing it by itself, it has covered the entire area well. It had, well, now it's charging, it's done. It has, mop dry? Okay, cool. It did have a little bit of an issue with the sloped surfaces of the stools that I have over here. You saw them, those little metal, shiny metal sections. It didn't work too well on those, so I kind of had to give it a little bump to let it know that there's something there because it would get hung up there. But other than that, everywhere else, it has done a great job. So I'm really happy with this product. I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm out.